Hi folks, this is Mr. Colley, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to add items to our list. Now I've got my list of planets here, and you'll notice it only has 6 planets in there because we didn't discover all the planets all at once. The human race basically discovered the planets one, maybe two at a time as we got better and better at astronomy. And Saturn was discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. So these were all the planets that we knew about from 1610 up to 1930, really, up to just before 1930. So this list here, when I run the program, will output the phrase planets in antiquity, and then we'll output the contents of this planets list. Hoping this will work. It seemed to crash on me before, or just ran really slowly. So if it's running slowly, we'll push on. There we go. Planets in antiquity: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Now what I want to do is add the extra planets that we discovered between 1610 and 1930. So to add an item to the end of the list, I type the list name, and I use append, APPEND, and then in brackets I put the data that I want to appear. So what have we got left? We have, let me check my list. Here we go. I have Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto left. So first one is Uranus. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same. Neptune. And finally Pluto. Like so. And then I'm going to print my planets list again. But actually, before that, I'm going to output a message that says planets by 1930. See that I'm having trouble with spellings today. So this line 5 here will output the list as it appears here before we've added any items onto it. Line 7 to 9 will add each planet in turn, and then line 12 will output the planets list after we've added the items to it. So let's run this a step at a time. We'll keep an eye on our variables tab whilst this runs so that we can watch our list changing. Here we go, fast debug, so it should go yellow at the first line. Here we go. Step through. There we go. It's assigned those first 6 planets to our list. Output planets in antiquity. There we go. And then output the planets array, or the planets list, excuse me. There it is with our 6 items in it. Now, planets append Uranus. Watch what happens over here. There we go. It's put that planet in on the end. Now it's going to append Neptune on the end. Finally, it's going to append Pluto. You haven't seen that happen because it's off the screen. So let's drag it along. There's Pluto on the end. So now when I output planets by 1930, output planets, it'll look over here and it outputs them all, the updated list, including Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. So append brackets data is how you add items to the end of a list.